How to switch between dark and light mode in Indodax. First of all, open the app on your device. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. In the account settings menu, you will see app settings. Tap on it. Here you will find the dark mode option. Simply toggle the switch to switch between dark mode and light mode. If you prefer a bright interface, select light mode and the app will instantly switch to a white background with dark text. But if you want a darker interface that's easier on your eyes, especially during nighttime trading, select dark mode. You can switch between the two modes anytime based on your personal preference. This feature helps improve visibility and reduces eye strain while browsing chart, checking prices and managing your crypto portfolio. Now you know how to switch between dark and light mode in Indodax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.